morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine at your home. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Advanced Feature of TuxPaint. Now we have learned some drawing and coloring softwares. TuxPaint is also a drawing and coloring software, but it is different from that. Why? Because it has many creative tools, funny animations and much more creative things also. Now we are going to know about some features of TuxPaint. The first one is TuxPaint is a free software. That means we can download it freely without paying any cost. We can download TuxPaint. The second feature is it is easy to use. It is very easy to use. We only should be capable to use mouse effectively. If we are able to use mouse properly, we can use TuxPaint very nicely. It has drawing mascot which is known as Penguin. Penguin is its mascot, drawing mascot, which shows us its tools and many more sub-tools also. The next one is it plays funny sound effects when we select any tool. Whenever you select any tool, when we use TuxPaint and select any tool, then it will create some funny effects. If we are having speakers attached to our system, we can listen those funny sounds. The last one is images can be saved as thumbnails. In TuxPaint, images are saved as thumbnails. So children, this is our TuxPaint screen. You can watch it on my system. I will show you some of the tools which we are going to learn today. The first one is mosaic tool. So how to use it, I will show you. First of all, at the left side there are some tools. You can watch it over here. And at the right side these are some sub tools at the right side of the TuxPaint window. Okay, and this area where we make drawings, this is called canvas. Okay, now I have selected magic tool. First of all, you all also have to select the magic tool. After that, we will come on this side to the right side and we will select mosaic tool from here. So for that, if it's not visible to us, we will go downstairs arrow and we will try to find it out. Fine? Yes, here. So as I have found it, you can watch it over here. This is the mosaic tool. I am clicking over here. When I click over here, it becomes dark blue. Now see the magic of this tool. The magic wand is over here on the canvas area. So if I am pressing like this, what will happen? You can watch it. So I am doing just in some part of it. You can see small stones effect is giving. Colorful stones are being drawn over on the screen. So you can see this is the mosaic effect in which colorful stones appear on a drawing. Okay, this is the use of this tool. Now for another tool which is kaleidoscope. I will show you how to use it. First of all, click on new tool. You will be having this screen. You can select any of the color. I am selecting the green one. You can select any one. Then click on open. Now you can watch my screen is visible. The background color is green. The second one is you have to click on magic tool. When you click on magic tool, their sub magic tools will be visible on the screen. Okay, now there is the kaleidoscope. As you can watch it over here, I have selected it. Now select any of the color, whichever is your favorite. I am selecting the yellow color because it will be the lighter and the background is darker. That is why watch the magic on the screen. Wow, it is so nice, nice and nice. Wow, can you see what is happening? It's happening that whenever you draw something, it will be drawn to all the directions. Remember, it will be drawn to all the directions. So whatever you will draw, it will be drawn to every direction of the screen. Okay, this is the use of kaleidoscope effect. This tool is also used to it is also used to create freehand patterns. This tool is used to create freehand patterns. You can watch on my screens how lovely many more patterns you can draw on the screen. We can fill colors also inside them. I will show you how to fill the colors. There is fill option available on the screen on the tools area. You can select any of the color and you can fill like, okay, you can fill in all, in some part or in all the parts, whatever you like. So you can do this thing also like this. Okay, it's very nice and it's very easy. So that's all for today. Have a nice time. Bye.